Hello traders and welcome. This is Ken Calhoun, president of the original DayTradingUniversity.com and Trade Mastery. In this session I wanted to teach you just quickly how to actually enter Forex trades using interactive brokers without having to learn the nomenclature of pips or standard or mini or micro lots and the rest of it. One of the things that makes it really easy in IB or interactive brokers is that you can enter your orders just like you would regular stocks and do it very quickly. So let me teach you how that works. As always, all information is for educational or information use only. Now, the first thing you want to do is set configure. So in your trader's workstation, again, you could use the FX Trader, which is a dedicated platform, but me, being a stock trader who also trades Forex, I like to keep it simple. Just click on the configure button. Step number 2, click presets. Step number 3, click on Forex. And then step 4, enter the default quantity that you want to use for all of your trades. You can always change that on a per trade basis. But for example, for my test trades, I like to start off with just $100 US. So I use a $100 as standard quantity. You can use $500 or $1,000 or $10,000 or whatever you want, but set the dollar quantity there. Notice too that the commissions on this are just $2 per trade, $2 per side. Instead of having a pip spread like typical Forex brokers, it's just a flat $2 US commish per side, regardless of the size. So then the next thing you do is click on an empty row and enter the ticker. And to do that, for example, if you want to trade the US dollar to the Japanese yen, you just type in USD.JPY and you click on the ask. Put in the order trade size and then enter limit or market. I always use just market. If you want to set a stop limit or limit order, you can always do that, but I just use market and then click the transmit button to transmit the order just like you would in a stock or ETF trade. And voila, you're filled. Okay, now this is just an itty bitty size 1 trade, right? But anyway, it's a live trade, and then to sell it, you just the same thing, you just back out of the trade. You click on bid and then click the T to transmit the sell order. And that's it. So it's very easy. Let me do a real trade here so you can see what I'm talking about. I mean, it's not rocket science. You just enter, so if it were new, I'd type in USD.JPY. I've already done that. So there, and you just click on buy and click on market, click on transmit, and boom, I've just made a trade. I'm long. Okay, and then to sell it, you just click on bid and just use a market order and transmit, and boom, I've just made a round trip in the dollar yen. And that's all there is to it. It's very, very easy. And what I like about this is you don't have to learn or worry about things like numbers of pips or the lot sizes and all that kind of stuff. You just enter the dollar size of the currency that you want to trade. Very easy to use. Another quick point that I wanted to make for you guys too is I'd done one round trip earlier just to test it out, and then just one now. The commish is in the opposing currency. So in this case, I'm trading the US dollar against the Japanese yen. It's 196 yen, which is just $2 United States money. So it's not in US dollars. It might be a little confusing at first, but the commish is just, I paid a total of $8, $2,468 US to get in and out for 2 test trades. So that's how you follow that in your trade log. As you're making actual trades, it measures the commish in the opposing. So if I'm trading, say, the dollar against the euro or the pound or the Swissy or whatever, depending on the specific order that you make, the commission may not be in the US dollars. In this case, that's just in the Japanese yen. Now, you can always talk to the folks at Interactive Brokers, the trading desk, and they can answer your questions. And you can use, again, there's an FX Trader platform. But this is easy. I mean, if you're like me and you start off life as a stock trader and you want to add Forex, it's very, very simple. I mean, that's it. You just click and trade. I mean, so you don't have to worry about lot sizes or pips or similar. You just, the dollars and the price action are all you need to work with. So let me just quickly run through that one final time, and hopefully you guys will get up to speed. And again, now I'm not making advice on how to trade or what to trade. You're solely responsible for your trading outcomes and all that. But anyway, this is how you, at least this is how I trade using Trader's Workstation and IB. Configure, click Presets, click Forex, enter the dollars you want to make as your default. Actually, I should change this to market since I always use market, right? Order type should be market, and that's your default. And again, it's just the day trades, unless you want to swing trade. And then click on the empty row as usual. Type in the base currency, say USD.JPY or USD.CAD or Aussie dollar AUD.USD, whatever the pair is, and it will tell you what the inside market is. Okay, you can see there's a three pip spread there, right? 5 by 8 on the 22. Anyway, you just click the ask to buy, enter the size, click transmit, and you're long. And then to sell, you just click on the bid and click transmit, and you're done. So that's it. At least that's how I trade Forex using Interactive Brokers. And again, if you're just starting off with Forex, use really tiny size. Maybe it's, $1 US or 10 or 20 or 50 or $100 US. Again, you have $2 per side commissions, so it keeps it really inexpensive as you learn how to trade. And just be sure to work with the people at IB and ask them to make sure you're configured correctly. But that's how I do it. So I thought that would be helpful to you as you move forward. So that's it. Kind of one of the shortest presentations I've ever had to do, but hopefully that gets you guys up to speed in terms of being able to trade correctly. Anyway, this is Ken Calhoun, Day Trading University, the original university for active traders. The migration from trading stocks to adding or trading Forex has never been easier. It's very simple, and that's it. So you don't have to worry about all the nomenclature and other. You don't, at least with Interactive Brokers, which is my favorite broker because it's only $1 commissions on stocks and ETFs and only $2 commission on Forex. Makes it very easy to manage your trade entry and exit order flow like a pro. So anyway, that's it. Thanks so much and best wishes for success.